Is there a number present here? Look at the edge.
Well, 02, right, of course.
This figure, 2, that thou here seest put.
Okay.
So what can we do with the TWO in the book?
Well, you can turn to page 2, presumably.
That is what I did. And let's see what happens. We have TWO here, and also a repetition of lowercase w. It should have been a capital one.
Right. But I mean, where does that take us? Are we looking for acrostics that say 3 or 5 now in the margins?
And
or?
then we could go to
yeah, right.
But
then...
the margins, yes, because what I discovered was this: F. Bacon.
I see. Right. So okay.
Petter also thinks there could be a code called a gematria hidden here. A gematria code is when letters are replaced by numbers, giving words a numerical value. A equals 1, B equals 2, and so on. The value of bacon is 33. The space between F and bacon is on line 33. Francis Bacon equals 100. TWO begins on line 100. Each of the 3 sections of the first folio is numbered separately. Bacon is mentioned in the 2 different plays, but both times on page 53. This seems deliberate. It looks as if an extra 2-page comic interlude has been added to the quarto version of The Merry Wives of Windsor, simply to ensure the Bacon reference appears on page 53. And in Henry IV Part 1, the typographers also seem to have gone to a lot of trouble to make sure Bacon appears on page 53. To make it work, the page numbers actually skip from page 46 to 49.
So this is really page 51.
Right,
but now it's 53.
And you think that's deliberate just to make the connection between the 2 Bacon references?
Because of the significance of 53.
Okay.
Of course, it also fits Petter's theories that just below the number 53, we see the phrase, "I know a trick worth 2. In the 17th century, a mysterious but influential brotherhood emerged. For them, 2 numbers had special symbolic significance: 53 and 106. This fraternity has always been shrouded in myth, but one of the most tenacious is that Francis Bacon was its leader.
They use geometry, some kind of trinity they worship. The Pythagorean 3, 4, 5 triangle.
The symbol of the Rosicrucian.
Exactly. Sorry. That is the significance of 53.
Okay.
Because where the sides 5 and 3 meet, the angle is 53 degrees. But we have Apud potentially. We definitely have Rosie.
Yep.
But we don't have a cross, do we?
Where is the cross?
It's right here. Look. C, R, O, S, S. And what they produce is nothing less than a perfect 3, 4, 5 triangle.
Right.
And Apud Rosie Cross is 173.
Right.
Petter believes he has found numerical codes connected to the Rosicrucians in the first folio. The Brotherhood were obsessed with the numerology or gematria of Kabbalah. In this system, the letters RC can be converted to the numbers 17 and 3. R is the 17th letter of the alphabet, C is the 3rd. An encoded way of writing RC would therefore be 17 and 3. On page 173 of the first folio, we find the opening page of Richard III, or R.C. There can also be a Rosicrucian code similar to this in one of the poems written by Ben Jonson as a eulogistic tribute to Shakespeare in the first folio.
Look at this. It is the famous poem to the memory of my beloved, the author. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
The 17th word is fame, the first Rosicrucian manifesto.
1, 2, 3.
And 3 words later we find confess, the second Rosicrucian manifesto.
17 and 3. R, C,